How to make store website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a store website on Wix. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it and how to earn your money online. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on wix.com. As you can see, I already did it. It's very easy to create an account. It's completely free. You just need to create a suitable password and put your email address. So I am in my account, and next you just need to click this blue button, create new site. Now Wix website offers us to try an AI help, but we don't really need this. I recommend you to set up without chat. That's better option, at least for me. Now what we need to do, we need to type what website do we want to create. As you remember, this is store, so I just type store here and continue. Now you can see Wix dashboard. It's pretty useful feature to manage your website. So now we need to create a name for our store, for our website. For example, my store will be named Best Store Ever. Pretty nice, isn't it? Now we need to answer these questions. Do you already have an online store? If you do, click this button. If you don't, click this button. Now we need to answer these questions. What kind of products are you selling? Just click these products you are selling, and that's all. Now we are all set. Next step, we need to connect a custom domain. So the Wix.com offered us to use this one, thebeststoreever.net. I really like this, so we need to click this button. Let's go. And here you have it, thebeststoreever.net is available. So we can use this domain. Now we need to add your first products, set up shipping and delivery, set up payment methods. You can set this like whatever you want, it's up to you. But now we will move to design your website. So now we need to decide exactly how we want to design our website. Pick a template or generate a design with the help of AI. I will choose this one. Browse thousands of designs, then pick one to customize. One that matches my heart, one that matches my business, my store. So to be honest, all templates are nice, but I really like this one. Pretty colorful and simple. Now we need to wait until everything loads. By the way, Wix website editor is the best choice to design your sites, because you don't need to know any programming languages like Java, C++, Python. You just create a site on another website. So this is the best about Wix.com. I really like it. It's very easy. So what we have now? We have pages, home, book online, service page, card page, of course, and we can add elements, add sections, add pages and menu, create site design, add apps. Here we have our header and footer. Very beautiful, but I don't like that we don't have any logo or our business name right here in the corner of header. We can fix this. Just double click on this header and it appears some bizbot. I don't know what is it. We need to fix this. As you remember, my store is calling best store ever. So there you have it. And of course, I'm sure not every of you are selling clothes or bags. Of course, you can edit this, like manage products. Click this button, and now you will easily change it. Changes price. Here you can edit some information, some numbers, or you can just for example add some sections. We don't really have welcome section, so let's fix this. And as you can see, in general the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend trying to explore it yourself. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, it is very clear to any user. You can edit the site the way you want. You can change the sizes of sections, buttons, everything. For example, this button, I don't really like it. We can easily delete it, like link. We need to do this, and now just click on backspace. Easy, isn't it? So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. So don't forget to give a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos, and goodbye.